Good morning, students. Good morning, each and every. Good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. So, in the previous lecture, we have done the scenery, and in this lecture, we are going to do a 2D design of Christmas. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to explain you what is 2D design exactly is. So, let's begin with this. I'm just turning the camera. Okay. Here now, I'm going to explain you what is 2D design and how you're going to do it. Okay. For example, this is your drawing page, and in this drawing page I'm drawing a square. Okay, in this square I'm going to do how to overlap. There are many there are certain principles of 2D design. So first thing is, what I'm going to do, I'm giving you a rough example. Okay, two squares, yes, two triangles, two circles, two rectangles, yes. These are the materials which we are going to overlap over here. So first मैं इन सब में से एक एक उठाऊंगा. Okay, so first is one square, so I'm going to draw a square over here in this way. Yes, just look at this. Here I have drawn one square. You can draw it in any shape, any side, कैसे भी आप बना सकते हो. Okay, so second is I'm going to take one triangle. Now what is overlapping exactly is, so this is a square. Now I'm going to draw a triangle. So my triangle should be overlapping this square 50-50. मतलब 50 आधा आधा इसका divide अपना overlap होना चाहिए. For example, this is the way how you're going to overlap. Just look at this. Yes. See, there is a square, there is a triangle. ये proper overlapping है. If you are doing it in this way, if there is a square over here and you are overlapping the triangle in this way, this is wrong. क्योंकि ये छोटा space है. Yes, the overlapping is small. This is the proper shape, because whenever you are overlapping the third part, which is there is a new shape created over here, should be bigger in size. Okay, थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा overlap करना है. So now the third one is circle. So my circle should be overlapping this triangle and the square in this way. Just look at this. Yes, triangle देखो 50-50 divide हुआ है. And how I'm occupying the space, ये space को मैं कैसे use कर रहा हूँ वहां पे देखो वो चीजों को. Now what I'm going to do, अब मैं एक rectangle लूंगा. अब मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा कि मेरे यहाँ पे space कहाँ पे ज्यादा है. Yes, there is a space over here. Okay, so I'm going to draw one rectangle which is going to overlap the circle, the square, the triangle in this way. Yes, ये देखो, इसको बोलते हैं overlapping. फिर से हमने चारों यूज कर लिया, अभी मैं फिर से यूज करूंगा. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट ये जो स्क्वायर है, ये स्क्वायर आपको बाजू में नहीं बनाना है, आपको साइड में बनाना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ स्क्वायर ओवर हियर, और उसका जो साइज है वो ये स्क्वायर और ये स्क्वायर से छोटा होना चाहिए. इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ बिग स्क्वायर, द सेकंड स्क्वायर शुड बी स्मॉल. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ ट्रायंगल. सो यहाँ पे स्पेस मुझे ज्यादा दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे भी है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल ओवर हियर व्हिच इज गोइंग टू overlap the rectangle over here in this way. Just look at this. अब मैं क्या करूंगा, एक सर्कल लूंगा. अब मेरे को यहाँ पे स्पेस मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे स्पेस मिल रहा है. यस, सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ओवर हियर इन दिस वे. तो ये देखो, यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सर्कल है, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सर्कल है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, एक रेक्टेंगल है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द रेक्टेंगल ओवर हियर इन दिस वे. ये देखो, दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवरलैपिंग एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है पूरा इक्वली मैंने डिवाइड किया है. यस, so this is how you are going to do. Now this was the basic. We are going to do it in the Christmas form. So first thing, what you're going to do is you're going to get the center of the page. Okay, so first आपको center निकालना है. So 26 is there, so उसका half हो गया 13. Okay, so this is 13 and the size over here is 18 मतलब 9 मतलब यहाँ पे. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay, here I'm going to draw a triangle. Yes, I'm going to draw a triangle. Sorry, I'm going to draw a square. Okay, so how I'm going to draw the square, just look at this. I'm going to draw a square of 15 centimeter. How many centimeter? 15 centimeter. Just look at this. Yes, I'm going to draw a square of 15 centimeter. Just look at this. It should be in the center of your page. Yes, you have to draw a square of 15 centimeter. Just look at this. So this is how I have drawn one square of 15 centimeter. Just look at this. Yes, मैंने एक स्क्वायर बना लिया है 15 सेंटीमीटर का. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज, अब मुझे क्रिसमस में कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स लगेंगे. यस, इन द क्रिसमस द फर्स्ट थिंग इज द हैट. यस, द क्रिसमस हैट, द क्रिसमस कैप. ओके, सो ये है हमारा क्रिसमस कैप. द सेकेंड वन is the star. Okay, the third one is your we can say the candies. Yes, then comes your one more stick candy, you can say. This is, yes, then comes your, you can say, the Christmas tree. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5. और कुछ आ रहा है आपके माइंड में? और क्या होता है? कम ऑन. द क्रिसमस बॉल. यस, क्रिसमस बॉल होता है ऐसे. एंड सैंटा. यस, सैंटा भी होता है, लेकिन वी कैन नॉट मेक द सैंटा ओवर हियर. ओके, so these are the outer shapes. Yes, one more thing. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, the gifts. So गिफ्ट्स के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सिर्फ नॉर्मली ऐसे हम लोग ये कर देंगे इसको, और यहाँ पे ऐसे रिबन्स बना सकते हो ऐसे. यस, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ओके, सो और Santa boots. Yes, socks also. So we are going to make the socks. Yes, this way. और कुछ याद आ रहा है आपको? Anyone else? Anything else? Okay, Santa bag. Okay, so हम लोग इतना बहुत हो गया. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to overlap. जैसे मैंने आपको ये वाला दिखाया, right? Same way हमें इन चीजों को overlap करना है. Okay, we are going to overlap all those things. So let's begin with this. Now just look at this. Okay, just pay attention how I'm doing it. पहले हम लोग एक कैप लेंगे. Yes, I'm going to draw a cap over here. और नॉर्मली ज्यादा कुछ डिटेलिंग्स नहीं करना है. नॉर्मली सिंपल वे में हमें बनाना है. ओके, जस्ट लुक एट दिस. ओके, I made a cap over here. The second one is star, so I'm going to overlap this cap with the star. So just look at this. Just look at this. Yes, I've drawn one star over here. See, this is how I am overlapping this. 50-50 overlap होना चाहिए. Third one is the candy. So here I'm going to draw the candy over here in this part. You can draw 2 to 3 different kinds of candies. Okay, different shapes you can make. Okay, here I've drawn the candy. Now I'm going to draw a stick, candy stick, which is going to overlap in this way. Just look at this. Yes, this is the way how we are overlapping it. Okay, then comes your Christmas tree. So Christmas tree मेरे को यहाँ पे ज्यादा space दिख रहा है. So I'm going to draw a big Christmas tree over here. Okay, in this way. Yes. अब क्या करूंगा मैं, ये बॉल को इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप करूंगा. Yes, this is the ball which is overlapped by the Christmas tree. Now I'm going to overlap the gift. So यहाँ पे होगा हमारा gift. Okay, so this is how I'm going to draw it. Yes. Now Santa का socks. Yes. So here मुझे यहाँ पे ज्यादा space दिख रहा है, so I'm going to draw a Santa socks over here. Okay. अब आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे प्रॉपर हम लोग ने ओवरलैप किया है, पर देयर आर सर्टेन स्पेस ओवर हियर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओवर हियर आल्सो. सो यहाँ पे हमें एक कैंडी बनाएंगे. Just look at this. Here I've got some space, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a small candy stick over here in this part. Okay, and just look at this. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा ज्यादा स्पेस है, so I'm going to draw a star over here in this part. Yes, इस तरह. So just look at this, and at the end you can, if you find that everything is proper, if you want to overlap some much more, you can overlap. Okay, but don't, पूरा ऐसा rush मत कर दो. Okay, this way you can do it. Okay, so ज्यादा भी हमें भरना नहीं है. This is a proper way how you can do it. You can make a okay, so this is much. Okay, so don't do, इससे ज्यादा मत करो. Okay, it will be much more difficult for you for coloring. Okay, so now what you are going to do, before doing with that, you can take a black marker. You can take a black marker, and what you can do is you can make the outlines. Okay, you can make the outlines. Just look at this. This is how you can create the outline properly. Yes, उसके बाद you have to complete whole outlines in this way. Yes, this way you can overlap it. If you want, you can do the overlapping part or the bordering part at the end also, but here I'm doing it first only. Okay, just look at this. So just look at this. It is very important when you color, your same color should not come in the same on the beside of the same color. Okay, so आपको हर वो चीज पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देना है कि सब जगह पे आपका अलग अलग कलर है. Okay, so just look at this. And there are many shapes which is created over here. Yes, so just look at this. So this is how you're going to do it. Here we have completed the outlining part of each and everything. Now we'll start with the coloring part. Okay, so here I've taken the color and we are going to start coloring this all these things. Okay, so first I'm going to color the side portion. Okay, so for coloring the side portion, here I am using a dark blue shade. Your coloring should be proper. Okay, if you want, you can use poster color. If you want, if you are good at oil pastels, you can do it with oil pastels. Yes, so just look at this. This is the outlining part, so there is a whole much more space over here. Okay, so here I'm going to color it with blue. Okay, just look at this, follow the shape कि कहाँ तक आपका कलर जा रहा है, वैसे ही आपको कलर करते जाना है. Okay, first color the outline, then you can color the inside part. ये देखो, ये यहाँ पे इसका जो एंड है वो यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है. यस, और ये जो चीज है देखो, यहाँ से ये चीज यहाँ से आया है. ओके, और ये यहाँ पे लॉक हो जा रहा है. राइट, तो ये यहाँ तक ही रहेगा ब्लू कलर. ओके, आपको उसका एंड देखना है और ये चीज को ऐसे आपको कलर करना है. ओके, अगेन लीव वन स्पेस एंड स्टार्ट कलरिंग. ओके, this is how you're going to color it. So this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, this is the way how you're going to color it. Just look at this. ये आपका पूरा इस तरह आपका कलर हो जाएगा. ओके, देन take another shade. Here I'm using a light blue shade. So now how I'm going to start coloring is, just look at this. Here I've got a space. This is how I'm going to color it. Yes, this is the way how I'm going to color. I'm going to leave one space, फिर मैं यहाँ पे color करूँगा. Okay, आपका color side side में नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay, there should be a space in the middle. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. You can use any colors, any shades for coloring. It is not necessary that you have to use this colors only. It's not like that. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to color it. Yes. ये देखो, इस तरह आपका coloring होना चाहिए. Yes. After doing this, you can use a different color shade. So now I'm going to use a dark green color. Okay. So let's start with this. Yes. Okay. So this is how I'm coloring it. Just look at this. Yes. So this is how you're going to color it. Your color should repeat in each and every part, each and every corner. Okay, by leaving one space. Okay, एक space खाली रखो and you can do it in this way. Okay, just look at this. This is how I'm coloring it. Yes. So this is how you're going to color it. आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि सेम कलर साइड में ना आ जाए. ओके, सो हमने डार्क ग्रीन यूज कर लिया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज लाइट ग्रीन. Okay, so as you can see, dark green is done. Now I'm using light green color shade. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Okay, now I'm going to use orange color. Okay, so I'm going to start coloring it with orange shade now. Okay, then I'm going to use a red color. So this is how I'm starting coloring this part with red. I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. You have to pay attention that the same color should not come in the side. Okay. Okay. After completing it with red, we are going to use another shade now. So I'm going to use a purple color shade. Just look at this. So this is the way how you're going to do it. Okay. Then we are going to use a brown color shade in this. And as you can see, we have almost done with this. Now at the end, I'm going to use yellow color shade in this part. This is our focus point. Okay, so this is how you're going to complete the painting, and this is how we have completed it. Just look at this. Yes, I hope each and everyone is clear with this. Now what you can do is you can take a black marker or a sketch pen and you can just make a outline. Yes, you can just draw a black outline over here in this part. Okay, just look at this. Yes, so this is the way how you're going to complete the painting. This is how we have completed the painting. As you can see, each and every part is having different colors. Okay, none of the color is in the same you know shape. There is all different color shades. Okay, so this is how you can complete this. Okay,